Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. In here at the locker to see which packages go in the locker and which packages go to the front door. This is my way of working it. You can do it your way. I like to just come to the locker, put all the lockers I play, so then I can figure out which door to hit in which order. Let's see, you're looking for 5-2. Boom, found it. Make sure you know the code to get into the locker, guys. You can always ask the front office or call your dispatch. Boom. Non-Amazon locker. Boom. Next one, that's the front door, locker 54 is a box. 4. Yes. Package was delivered. Yes. Okay, I don't know what that was, but anyways. 1002. Medium. Boom. All we do is another tote. Be back. All right, this one's the front door. I'll set it to the side. 25/7. Susan. Let's go to the locker, Susan. Sorry, Susan. Today, I'm taking the locker. If I wasn't behind Susan, I'll drop it off at your door. But I'm sorry. Your note says locker. Okay, I can leave it in the locker. Okay. 12/28. I'm guessing it's that person. I don't know if it's front door or... Yeah, I'm gonna just deliver it to the front door. Yeah, I'm just change door size, back, just cancel that one. I'm gonna skip that one. Got 3 so far, door. That's the front door. Front door. Guessing front door. Front door. Front door. Front door and locker 56. Just remember, I always check, guys. They always got the locker and front door drop-offs together. Let's see, front door. This one says, okay. Let's see.
Did I just order a new one?
Let's see. 57, Rocker, 201. This is Jordan. Put that in the medium. This front door, I think that might be. Let's see. Hold on, y'all. 68. Let's see how big this box is. Be back.
Also,
And drop that off at the front door too. All right, so the rest is all front doors. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's see which way we gotta go. Let's see which way we gotta go. All right, let's get this 78. All right, y'all. Let's get it. Let's go. We need 58. Oh, first look. That's good. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's get that going. We're almost done, so we can hit the houses. Man, it's gonna be a lot of blurring out. Damn. All right, let's see what houses are over here. Boom, 68. We need 59 and 60. 59 and 60. Guys, you know what time it is? It's time for y'all to hit that like button by the time I get to that door. It should be done. I hope it could be done. Please. Thank you. Oh, shit. Turn my head too fast, too furious. Make sure I get it. Oh. Okay. I guess. At least they know it's at the door. All right, let me skip to the map again, see where we're at next. Should be this way, right? Bada boom, bada bang. Let me get to go 66. They got pillars here. I'll just step back. Try to get them both. Bing bong. I was like, damn, what was that? That thing shot deep. Message, message, message. You got a package. Yeah. Let's go. See y'all at the next house. I think that's done over here. All right, y'all. This next package is on the side of the main road. So I'm gonna just go run and do that. And we're gonna do the rest. So I don't know which way I'm going after this, so I'm just gonna get it out the way right now. I'm gonna run to it. We're gonna run. Let's get it. I hope it's the right way. We got 50. I see 50. Oh yeah.
hide it under that rug when it comes to apartments like these. Or the pillar. But I just did it behind under the rug. Alright, y'all, let's see. Where we at now? Pulling up on the next units. That one should be almost done. Let's see. This one. Alright, next one. Alrighty, y'all. We here at the next locations. Side by side. Like a side by side. Haha. Lame, right? You said we don't believe in the carpet. It's behind the bush, though. All right, next one's on the other side of the van. 73, 74, and 75. Alrighty, y'all. Just got to the next one. Let's get it. Let's go. There you get that go. $73 right here. They be like, you work too much. I'm like, I'm just trying to get to the money. The kids depend on me. All right, y'all. Just got here. Hopefully, these customer dogs don't run out. Try to get the ankle, cause I gotta deliver to their neighbor. Oh shit! They gonna get me. Damn, who barking at me already? All right, guys. Gotta park in the middle of the road real quick. Let's make this drop. Let's get it. Let's go. Make sure y'all get those unit numbers. Don't forget. Save yourself for getting that package stolen rating. Trust and believe. See y'all when we get to the houses. Alright, y'all. Just wanted to end the video off. I just wanted to do the apartments with y'all, and that's what we got to do. Appreciate you guys coming through. Smash that like button. Hopefully this video was useful for you new drivers on how to master these apartments. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and then share the video. Linktree link is in the comment section, y'all. Don't forget, people staring. So let me turn this way. Don't forget to do that. I need to wash my glove. It stinks. But see y'all then. Check out whatever videos right here on the icon.